I have this method which is basically get value. This random it gets some random number, and we're making sure if this number is even or if it's odd, and we're just printing the message. I'm gonna show you a better way in order to do this, and it's gonna be much more faster, or I'm not faster, like better in way of reading. So first we're gonna make our condition here. So what we have in terms of our condition is this one. This is our condition, right? So I'm just gonna copy it. This is a condition that we have. So I'm gonna add ternary like conditional here, this question mark and this colon. You might be wondering, what is this? Okay, so what comes after this question mark is the true value. So the true value, which is gonna be this one here. So I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna be pasting it here. Great. So what comes after this colon is the false value, which in our case this one here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add it here, and now what happens here, this this approach is the same as the previous approach. Like it doesn't really have like much, and now we don't really need to do anything other than this. So instead of the old 7 lines, we just made it in one liner, and basically this is it. So we're gonna making the comparison. If the number is even, we're gonna be assigning this value to this variable. If it's not, then we're gonna be assigning that value to this variable, and we're gonna be printing. This is a ternary operation, which is really nice, that you most probably gonna need to work with.